How to fix Adobe Acrobat Error 110, the document could not be saved. 1. Update Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. 2. Use Print to PDF. Hint, set the printer to Microsoft Print to PDF and select All for the Pages to Print option. 3. Repair the corrupted PDF. 4. Save the file with some other Adobe alternatives.